Hey artists, it's Ms Lulu from Artsy Hearts Studio. Today we are sketching a great white shark. Strong, sharp, and jarsome. Grab your pencil, follow along, let's draw. For this sketch, I'll be using HB, 2B, and 4B pencils, along with a blending stick and an eraser. But don't worry, if you only have a regular pencil, that works perfectly too. Let's relax, sharpen our pencils, and sketch together step by step. Make sure you center your object so it's not too left or too right. Let's draw a long, flat oval. Add a box at one end for the head, and two lines tapering at the other end for the tail. Let's start with the eye. Draw a small circle. Keep it simple. Next, let's draw the mouth. Keep your line light. You can always adjust it as you go. Let's add the tip of the nose. This gentle curve helps define the shape of the head and brings everything together. Now it's time for those sharp teeth. Draw small triangle shapes along the mouth line. Try to keep them uneven. This makes the shark look more natural and fierce. And don't forget the nostril after the teeth. And draw the gill openings. Next, draw the dorsal fin on top. Draw the pectoral fin behind the gill openings. Now we're gonna add the tail at the end. And I'm going back to draw the pelvic fin. It lies below the back of the dorsal fin, and add the two other small fins. And I'm going back to add some chipped areas on the tail. Make the outlines and details bolder. Erase the lines you don't need anymore. Now let's start adding some shading. Remember, lighter and darker values are what help our shark look more three-dimensional. This is where your drawing really starts to come to life. Now it's your turn to be extra creative. Try adding a background for your shark. Maybe your shark is swimming in the ocean, flying in the sky, or even having an adventure in the jungle. There's no wrong idea. Just have fun with it. If you enjoyed sketching with me, make sure to subscribe so you can join us for more sketching every week. I can't wait to draw with you again. Visit www.artsyheartsstudio.com to learn more about our in-person art classes.